I finally have a Google Pixel 6 in hand, so I'm gonna unbox it. Hey, what's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to Morse Code. Today we are unboxing the Google Pixel 6. Admittedly, I bought mine in the kind of coral color because it is spooky season, so my little creepy cat is joining me on my studio set today. I hope you don't mind. I got my creepy cat from an anime convention in California a while back. I love her. She's so cute. She likes belly rubs. So let's go ahead and unbox the Google Pixel 6. Now, I did buy this from Best Buy. I picked it up yesterday afternoon, and because I pre-ordered it, it also came with a Google Pixel Buds A series, but the retail price for this at Best Buy was $599. So for this unboxing, this is the Pixel 6 in Kinda Coral. This is the 6.4-inch model, so it is a little bit smaller than the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I'll show you a quick comparison as well. And this is 128 gigs. Just like on the Pixel 6 Pro, this one also has a couple of pull tabs. On the side, it features Pixel 6 in this kind of coral lighter color, and it says Google on the other side, and we have the Google logo at the top. This is the gorgeous box that your device will come in, and right out of the box, the first thing you see is your Google Pixel 6. I really appreciate the little pull tab so you can easily take it out of the box. Let's get a nice up-close impression of what the Kinda Coral Google Pixel 6 looks like. And to compare this with the Sorta Sunny Google Pixel 6 Pro, you can definitely see a difference in the color scheme going on here. So here we have coral and here we have Sorta Sunny. Side by side, there's definitely a size difference. There's also a difference on the sides, the bumpers. On the Pixel 6 Pro, you have a really shiny side casing, and on the Pixel 6, it's a matte black casing. So it does not match with the kind of coral that you see on the back, while with the Pixel 6 Pro, you have the same color scheme going on onto the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Pixel 6 Pro off to the side. Let's go ahead and take off this screen cover. These phones do not include screen protectors on there. There is no screen protector, so you'll have to buy one separately. I'm gonna go ahead and power this up so we can get it booted. There we go. All right, now while that is starting up, let's see what else is in the box. This should be exactly the same as the Pixel 6 Pro. Up at the top, we have regulatory information that has to be included. There is a SIM card ejector tool up at the top. There is also a quick switch adapter with USB Type A and Type C, and a USB C to C cable in the box. There is no wall adapter. You will have to buy that separately as well if you do not have one already. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and skip most of the setup on here and do it later after I'm done recording. But I do want to get back to the desktop so I can show you a comparison of the screen. By the way, check out this existential crisis going on my fingers. I love this color from Holo Taco. That was Holo Taco's birthday color. I don't think it's available anymore. Okay, getting my phone ready. You can tell that the camera bumps are almost exactly the same. The only thing missing on the Pixel 6 is your telephoto. That's my Google Pixel 6 Pro right here. I'm gonna switch out this wallpaper so you can really see the edges around here, so you can see the bezels. Oh, interesting. They have different wallpapers available out of the box on the Pixel 6 compared to the 6 Pro. Here, I'll put the same wallpaper on both phones. Wow, there's definitely a big difference in the two screens between the Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6. You can absolutely tell that one of them is Quad HD and the other one is Full HD 1080p. Now here are the screens side by side at full brightness. You can absolutely see that the bezels are a lot thinner on the curved display on the Pixel 6 Pro compared to the Pixel 6, which has those black bezels around the edges. However, this is a flat display, so if you prefer a flat display, then you will probably like this one a lot more, because this one definitely has those curved edges around the screen, which some people are definitely bothered by. They are also different sizes, obviously, and slightly different colors going on. Now I have them both on default out of the box settings. When holding these at an angle, there's definitely a difference. You can especially see that in the skies on this wallpaper, so the color temperature is a little bit different. Now, even though the Pixel 6 Pro is my new daily driver, I switched my iPhone SIM back over to Android Android after a year of using an iPhone. That was the worst year ever. And so far so good on this one. I'm really excited to bring you my review. That's the next video I intend to post on the channel. But with that said, I'm really digging this size. This 6.4-inch display is very comfortable. This is a good size for a phone. Most notably because it's really easy to access everything on this phone with one hand, and it doesn't weigh a lot, so it's not hard to move around on here. It feels very comfortable on hand, so I'm excited to get this set up with my normal account for testing, and I'm very stoked to check out the cameras and see how well the processing works on here. This is gonna be a fun one. I'm also really curious how well the fingerprint sensor works on this different screen, so I will definitely be working on that too for this full review. I usually give myself about a week with a phone before I feel comfortable putting out a review, so you will see a review on this one probably at the end of next week, so keep an eye out for that video. If you like security and privacy, if you like Android tutorials and Android reviews, definitely subscribe down below. Lastly, let me know if you have any questions about the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go get this one set up. Talk to you later. Bye, y'all.